Welcome back, YouTube. In today's episode, we are going to be sanding this whole thing and getting it ready for paint. Currently have the front grille off, the headlights off. I'm working on this side, so I already got all of this completed. Well, not completed, but I already started on sanding this down. You can kind of see where I've been working on it. So yeah, let's get this thing starting, get it looking right. Has a dent here, but it'll buff. First step I'm gonna do is I gotta remove the fender flares, the lights on the fender flares, and after that I can finish buffing that out. And I do recommend wearing a mask, because last time I did this I was wearing a very small mask and all that just went through my nose. So definitely recommend wearing a one of these masks. I got this at Harbor Freight for like 20 bucks, so get yourself one. Alright, now I just gotta remove the mirror right here, and then I'm gonna start sanding. One mirror's off.
Alright, so this is by far probably the hardest thing I've ever done to a truck. Credit to you guys who do body work and paint job all the time, but man, this is definitely time consuming. I'm not even done with half a truck, and this is the first step of many, so I guess we'll see how it turns out.
Saving one dinosaur at a time, The driver's side completed with 320 grit sandpaper, but I still have to go back and do like the hard areas. I didn't really pay much attention to that. I was kind of wanting to sand the whole thing and then going back and seeing where the areas that I missed. But yeah, part one, I guess, of many. So